If you need to bring sales into your business, you need two components. Number one, you need leads, which is what you're in the business of providing. And number two, you need a sales process, which you need to have. And so many people in marketing think, oh, well, if I own a marketing company, I can just market my marketing company. Why am I not getting any clients? It's because you have to take those leads, even if you're getting high off your own supply, right? And getting leads through your own marketing, you have to take those leads and have a conversation with them. You can't expect an email newsletter to close clients to use the email newsletter via the email newsletter. It just doesn't work that way. You're going to have conversations with them around what are your expectations for the business? Where do you want to take the business over the next couple years? So you can say things like, because of the fact that you told me you want to open a second location, but you're concerned that you're going to have the revenue to keep that afloat, I'd like to recommend that we get you in the next 4 blasts of our email newsletter so we can let people know in those markets that this location is going to be open. Does it make sense to get you to participate in those blasts? But unfortunately, everybody that sells marketing, because I get a bunch of calls from them, well, I don't, I get a bunch of emails from them all the time, are like, hey, check out our marketing, we can increase your business by 15%. That's a bigger discussion than an email blast, right? What we're selling is a bigger discussion than an email blast. So although we could use our own products to get leads, we're still going to have those conversations.